There's so many things people can eat on any diet, and it doesn't mean everything's helping them.
Even if I was like gluten-free or dairy-free or whatever it was at different times, like I would feel better than before, but I didn't feel better, if that makes sense.
And also just knowing exactly what you have to do and eat, right? That's helpful, because there's so many things people can eat on any diet, and it doesn't mean everything's helping them. So just having that clarity helped you. Would you agree?
Yeah, no, for sure. And I even said, like, before, I remember like there was one time where we were eating mostly gluten-free, and I was like, I feel like it's not great.
That's why there's a science behind what we do. It's not just healthy food, but there's a science where we're focusing on stop driving the inflammatory immune pathway, as you learn in a class. We stop feeding it, and then we give your body the nutrients to create healthy immune cells.